having commented on VP Chiwenga's Hezekiah video. It's strange how criticizing President Mnangagwa can be palatable and even acceptable, and yet the same for Vice President Chiwenga is deemed farisa. Politics HAASI kutyikisedzerana, and an warranted attack on the president is an attack on the nation. We can't allow that. Sarapina mashoko otakuwa na Sadc kumuliswa. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anodanyira chiti, the VP has literally been undermining both his superior and the party he belongs to, and he should be called out for it. I must reiterate my stance. Defending the president against such insidious acts is a matter of principle. Where the tables turned and VP Chiwenga were the one in the presidency, I would equally spring to his defense against any similar subversion actions. There are platforms and ways of venting one's grievances at that level instead of criticizing. If left unchecked, his current maneuvers could sow dangerous seeds of discontent that could destabilize the party in the future. Politically, while social media has clapped hands for him, ED has managed to remain calm, the diplomatic, focusing on the angles of areas that matter. That's political nuance, which the VP is betraying himself as lacking. If no wonder that the very base upon which the VP could have built upon to engineer his ways to power, one day he has been slowly but effectively decimated, even as his social media gravitas appears to be flaring up. It's because he is focusing on the wrong political constituents. It's almost like a reincarnation of CHAMISA, always versus and social media correlations, and yet structurally vulnerable as to be important politically. ZANU-PF as a party remains the only viable instrument for assumptions of power, and yet his actions undermining the very same party are an act of self-condemnation. The party is the water to the fish that he is, and his actions amount to thrashing all the water out. Doma developments are kuda pangwana taugona muliswa ataka VP Chiwenga pena comment section yetu za funga email tulipa msapichit kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.